I'm Lindsey from PBM, and today, since you are a math teacher, we were going to go through a lesson on how you can use the VariQuest learning tools to create a differentiated and interactive lesson on slope and equations of lines. So to start with, I already have these two anchor charts up on the wall, equations of lines and slope, and we're going to print some chart paper to hang up on your whiteboard. So going to be using the VariQuest 3600 STP to print off our poster. And the really cool thing is, while that's printing, I can actually jump over to our Motiva, the small format specialty sticker printer, and even create stickers or handouts to go in students' notebooks, or even just to send home for that note support for any accommodations that you might have in the classroom. And now we'll jump into our VariQuest Cutout Maker, the electronic die cut machine. There's over 6,000 shapes, 28 fonts, and 260 interactive word walls. And instead of just going through all the shapes, I'm doing the search by keyword, grab my arrow, and we're actually going to be using a magnetic material so that when we put the graph paper up on the whiteboard, the students can solve their equation and actually go show their line on the graph paper on the board, and it actually sticks. I'm going to hit next. I want it largest possible on page, and then we'll move right on over to our cutout maker. Make sure our paper's down. Our chart paper is ready to go up on the board. And just pop out our magnet. All of this extra magnetic material can be reused, which is awesome because you can do a custom size instead of using the full 12 by 18 sheet. And now we have one long continuous line. This is just the formula. Went ahead and cut it out as well in magnetic material. Really easy way to display your formulas on the board, change them as needed. You could even cut out additional letters, numbers. That way you could put up a formula or a full equation on the board. In just a few minutes, we had our posters, our graph paper, and our magnetic material, and that way I'm ready to go from the workroom to the classroom and have a differentiated unit to meet the needs of all of our learners with VariQuest.